Hey, what's up guys, this is Saikat and welcome to another episode of Smartphone News. In this episode, I am going to talk about the upcoming budget beast smartphone, the Redmi Note 5. So in this video, I am going to talk about the rumors of this smartphone, the release date and the expected specifications. So guys, before starting this video, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon as well as to get quick notification of my new uploads. So guys, without any further ado, let's quickly get started. Redmi Note 5 is back in rumor mill, which now has word on not just the specifications but also the price and launch timelines of the upcoming handset. The handset is reportedly undergoing internal testing, quelling rumors that Xiaomi will launch the Redmi 5 Plus instead of the Redmi Note 5 as a successor to the popular Redmi Note 4. This will be a major launch for the company, as the Redmi Note 5 will help it compete with a slew of affordable smartphones expected to unveil at Mobile World Congress 2018 in late February, such as next generation Moto G device. A report by MyDrivers suggests that the Redmi Note 5 is being internally tested and the company will launch the phone in second quarter of 2018. Rumors also suggested that the smartphone will be priced higher than its predecessor, and it is expected to be priced at roughly Rs 15,700 for the base variant. As for the launch date, the Redmi Note 5 is expected to hit the market sometimes in the second quarter of the year. However, there is no word yet on the India launch yet, but we can expect it to come to the India market within weeks of the announcement. The release has apparently been delayed as Xiaomi is waiting for Qualcomm to announce its latest Snapdragon 632 processor, which is a toned-down, underclocked variant of the Snapdragon 636 chipset. The Snapdragon 632, however, retains the Qualcomm Spectre 160 ISP modem that is better optimized for dual camera setups. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 might run on MIUI 9 based on Android 7.1 Nougat. The phone is expected to sport a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. According to the MyDriver reports, the smartphone will be powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor. A recent OpenMark listing suggested that the smartphone will come in two variants, 3GB RAM plus 32GB inbuilt storage and 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. On the camera front, the smartphone is said to pack a dual camera setup on the rear. Earlier reports have also suggested a 5-megapixel front camera. Redmi Note 5 will have huge shoes to fill, as Redmi Note 4 was a huge successor for Xiaomi and helped pull Xiaomi out of the decline of 2016 to once again becoming a fast-growing player on the world stage. It also helped the Chinese brand clock well over 1 million units a month in second half of 2017 and become the biggest smartphone vendor in India during the last quarter alongside Samsung. So in the conclusion, if Xiaomi gives a dual camera setup like the performance of Mi A1 and an H2H display with 18:9 aspect ratio in budget smartphone, then the smartphone will burn this year, like Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 in previous year. So that is pretty much it guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, then smash that like button, comment below which features you want to see in the device, and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you are new here to my channel, guys, do subscribe on my channel and click on the bell icon as well. And guys, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links will be in the description below. With that being said, this is Saikat signing out, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.